$3,000 a day free TikTok affiliate marketing method. Let's go. Step 1, make a free TikTok account. Step 2, sign up to promote the Money Accelerator. It gives you 50% recurring commissions. It's one of the highest converting offers. Sign up, link is in the description of this video. Step 3, make simple make money online videos and just link to the Money Accelerator and you're going to get sales and you're gonna make money. Step 4 is the different types of videos. Here's one of the different types of videos you could make. You could make results videos of you making money online and showing your results. And then you just call to action people. You tell them, go check out the Money Accelerator so you can make money too. So when you make sales with the Money Accelerator, you could just show your results and then you tell people how you're getting those results and they can go get the Money Accelerator to get results too. It gets views, it gets you sales because people want to get results too and make money online. And it's a very powerful method to do. It's just one of the ways we can make money online with TikTok here. Now, the other type of videos you could do is educational videos about making money online, just giving tips and tricks and advice that you've learned about making money online, and then you just tell people, check out the Money Accelerator if you want to learn more about making money online. It's very effective. Now, the next type of videos you could make is motivational lifestyle videos, where basically you're just giving a bunch of motivational quotes, motivational videos, lifestyle videos, and luxury videos, and basically people see that lifestyle, and then at the end of every video, you're basically saying, like, check out the Money Accelerator. The Money Accelerator can help you live your dream lifestyle. The Money Accelerator can help you make a bunch of money. And basically that's a great way you can also promote the Money Accelerator and make a bunch of money promoting it. Now, the next type of video you can make is basically stitch videos, where you just find a bunch of very top videos. You can just go down your For You page here and you just see a bunch of freaking videos that you can stitch. You know, videos that will grab people's attention in the beginning, and then you, after it, you basically make a video talk about making money online or showing your results, showing your earnings. And then you call to action people over to buy the Money Accelerator. And it's very effective to do because it's powerful. You basically grab people's attention very quickly. Like, look at this weird video here. You grab people's attention, then you